say, look how my Prime Minister fix road and build up the and this happen. Suppose me have 100 bank book, them assume say a fee money I spend. Me I tell the labor say a fee money I spend. Then even
that's the level that you know.
All right thing you say, Richard. All right thing.
No, them not say no. Because what they made there, me I talk about Mark Gold in presentation. So me I say them no. So when my Andrew will get the money, me say see you know. So me say see me Andrew will get the money. No. Andrew money is different. And Andrew money when you him cover fee money, me I say we're not done, sir. Because they not realize that the same that when Mark got the proposal, it's only thing Mark going to go the different from Andrew is prioritized.
Yeah.
Andrew was a Mark going to prioritize, but I said budget I go use. The next 2 budget is done in cast in stone already. Next year will be 1.3 trillion, the next one 1.35 trillion, 2027 budget. Cast in stone, and by 2027 we debt to GDP will be 60%. The only thing Mark going to go do is to prioritize. We might go the same more focus on education, health, agriculture, security, and which are the next five something more. They more focus on. This government focus on thieving. Because them do nothing road because they can't get money for thief off a road. They claim them fix police station because they can't get money for thief off it. Things when they see them try with the school and then how much money for thief money from the school? Them put a minister of education to go 400 million from the school. They come to point last time.
What's about the net reserve grow? The net reserve grow by XYZ. But the whole infrastructure of the country run down. The main infrastructure of the country run down.
The NIR is important based on the fact say it for certain amount of weeks to supply the country. Yeah, the debt to GDP go down because we can get cheaper loan. But Japan debt to GDP at 62%. That is Jamaica economy than Japan one.
But this so you the 3 times intervene at the Bank of Jamaica intervene since we can the dollar still there over 160.
But that is the purpose of the NIR. The NIR is to intervene necessary. That's the purpose of the NIR.
So if they intervene every week like that, it's all gone down?
No, it's not really. It's not good. Because remember saying, every time we send money come to Jamaica, you know, the NIR go to, you know. Every time I send my money, every fan I send money to Jamaica, or any other buyer send money, and the NIR go to. So the NIR will always go.
Well.
So just like when we send money come to Jamaica now, I see money we send now to them buy back and rate. So then I realize it all go down with the deep by like one couple million yes and rate, but it now go past below 5 billion. We have going to want definite disaster for go below. You get me I say? And that is good for the country. You get me I say? We have backing, we can back it dollar. What happened to in the 90s? Because we have come from in the 80s where we never had no money in the NIR, minus $1 million. When we liberalize the economy, liberalize the dollar, we never have no money to back the dollar. So we could, when the dollar run away, we could have never intervened because we never had nothing to intervene. You understand? If we have a strong NIR line now, then the dollar won't reach where it reach in a level that can say, see I got artificially holding the dollar 550 while we weren't producing, yeah, and we never had no money in the bank to back it. But the artificially was at 550, we must be 6 or so years.
Yes, we know see I got it there, but in a Bruce time, and that they may do, and hold it down back. Them get natural because them gonna pay back the debt. So
no, Jamaica never have a debt payment problem. Never. Jamaica never have a debt payment prices. Me never went back to Jamaica.
Where we have from 07 to 11.
It was the debt payment prices. In 2010 we borrowed money and we were supposed to put things in place and we not do it. That was the problem.
So
not to pay back with it. I target we miss not to pay. Yeah. Jamaica never have a debt payment prices. We have to be careful. Never. Jamaica, listen me. Jamaica, the first thing Jamaica we pay with it. That when Jamaica collect the money, before them pay a teacher, a nurse, or a doctor, pay them first. What left half fight for you? That's our first thing we do.
But what you know?
So sometimes we collect the money, we collect from taxes sometimes, and there's a people who borrow money to pay the government work.
So why would debt was growing?
With debt was
Because
growing because based on the fact that we are borrow money, that means we not pay debt.
Look here, the net reserve grew because of COVID, you know.
No, man, we are talking before COVID. We are not talking about COVID.
No,
Not
talk about the present state we're in now, you know.
Debt growing with debt growing at the during growth time. First, one thing we grew debt were equal. Our IMF was them the promise 7%. So the teacher them hold them account.
You can't say because we never get that money. The teacher them not get that money.
We in our world recession, and then they said go to IMF to back you up. Then said no, we don't need to go because we are going to benefit. When we now produce, we now get the money because we have to continue to borrow from the debt.
Remember, you know. Remember, the soundness where Bruce Gordon then get the country in 2007, you know, when before it reached to the recession. Omar gave them did a warn them about the things ahead, you know. And then the sharp boss and said, no, Jamaica is safe, our financial background is strong, we're safe.
Stand to the top.
And that's why that hit we when it hit, that's why it was so hard.
Just like 2016. So when them come in and them say them when Adisha look at them in the we have money in the PES. And we look at the amount of money we have in the chase fund and all these funds. When you look for all of the executive agents, the amount of money we need, you look at the NHT and see the amount of money we need. You get to me and say, when you know, you collect all the money, all of the tax cancel fund. You get to me and say, so I'm spending as well.
So even this great tax, what would I call it now, where them you call it more than expected. Them take the claims and them don't realize it was the work that Peter Phillips then did. Cause these world tax collection for start get so much that the country could balance itself and to where it is now. Them try to make it look like them get a country where rattle, then get a country pan a part where set like when a plane set pan the air the runway for take off. That's how good then get the country 2016.
If everybody had said that, private sector themselves even implore that they should sign off on some letters to keep the economy the way it was. So that this is something where everybody had known. The IMF give us that clean bill of health, so them should carry on, but them fall down. And the first fall was them fail to grow the economy, fail to invest in a production.
So the country now produce nothing.
Produce nothing.
Remember, you know, Roger Clark set a platform with the Onion and the Irish, you know, the Agro Park, them, you know, and them not continue with none of these things. Them not give the support. So if them did not continue upon the most of the things them outside the road, if them did not continue upon the foundation will lay, today we would even have this discussion.
No, what happened to them, you know, is them concentrate on the tool project where PNP left there, like the road project them and go in a production mode.
No.
Right?
Because at this point, you know, we shouldn't export Irish and onion.
More than that, what I think ginger.
No, just that little tip me a touch.
Yeah, no.
We shouldn't export rather than import. We shouldn't go wider in a vegetable and fruit right now.
Yeah, right now look at ginger. Ginger is very expensive. But 700 or 800 a pound for ginger.
When me hear them talk about PNP make separate left center Masangan. When separate, you know, when separate lead by
you know, in there, man, you say you're in the box. Me, I say, where you stay, boy?
I talk, but me mic and me attack, so me I wonder who I go a while ago. Yeah.
When separate by Nestle factory or a bag walk, you know. The intention wasn't to move nothing and carry the recklessness of the government make separate left center mass, you know.
Yeah, because the deer farm up there. Yeah,
and around all of the Switzerland, the surge milk and all of these products did a manufacture. So when you have a production body like this in our country and you now give them the support that they need to make a parish vibrant. You can't blame the opposition, you have to blame the government, because separate now leave St. Thomas under the PNP, then leave St. Thomas under Andrew HOLNESS.
Yes.